Hi, I'm Miranda and I'm a people partner at Kerv. Employee experience is massive to me, enabling an environment where our employees feel comfortable to give things like their honest feedback on us as a company and also as individuals is great. It opens up such an honest environment that allows our employees to excel, which will link to such a great customer experience for all of our customers across the practices. Out of all of the Kerv values, I relate the most to do the right thing. It's really important as part of the people team that we're making sure that all of our employees are treated as fairly and as balanced as possible and spread good vibes actually. Everyone at Kerv loves spreading a good vibe. We've got a really good recognition initiative as well at Kerv where we allow to send people good messages to help lift their moods if they're doing something great. So that's something that I do on a daily basis. It will have to be Thierry Henry. I've had like the biggest schoolgirl crush on him since I was like 9. Big Arsenal fan. So yeah, Thierry Henry is a must on my list. Outside of work, I love live music. Big fan of Glassdoor. I'm excited to return back to my happy place this year. And I've got 2 dash hounds, little Bruce and Rolo. And then, yeah, the occasional wine.